students. Good morning, students. Student, today we will read agreement of the verb with the subject. Agreement of the verb with the subject. In which student we will read with which subject the verb agree. Okay, कि किस subject के साथ verb agree होती है. Suppose if there is singular subject, verb also should be singular. Okay, student. I repeat again. If there is singular subject, verb should be also singular. If there is plural subject, so verb also should be plural. Okay. Definition of this: the verb in a sentence must always agree with the subject in the number. Okay. I mean subject के साथ में verb एग्री होनी चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं कि प्लूरल वर्ब है, सॉरी प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट है और आप सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज़ कर रहे हो, या सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है और आप प्लूरल वर्ब यूज़ कर रहे हो. ओके, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द वर्ब इन अ सेंटेंस मस्ट ऑलवेज एग्री विद द सब्जेक्ट इन द नंबर. ओके, ही, शी, इट, दीज आर सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट, he, she, it, these are singular subject, so they take only singular verb. Okay, they, we, you, they are plural subjects or they take always plural verb. Okay, see by the example like he reads in the class. Singular subject and singular verb. Singular subject and this is singular verb. Because to make singular verb we have to add s or es to the main verb. Like read is the main verb. So if you want to make it singular, then you have to add here s or es to make it singular. Okay student. Like it works properly. Here works also, देखो you can check here works as is here added. So in this case you can say it's a singular verb. So it is here singular. So with singular subject we will use singular verb. Okay, she is sleeping. Here you can check this is singular subject. So with singular subject we will use singular verb. So okay, we are students. We are students. Here you can check plural subject. So verb also should be plural. They are going to school. Here you can check also they is plural subjects, so here we will use plural verb. They are going to school. Okay, you also I said plural, take plural subject or plural verb. You have finished your work. Here have is a plural verb, so with plural subject we will take plural verb. So you is here plural. Okay, you is not here plural because it is a special subject, but it always take plural verb. Okay student, you have to remember you always take plural verb. I is a special subject. In some cases it use singular verb, like I was playing. So here student you can check was is here singular verb, but it is being used with I. Okay, but if you write like I play in the evening, here you can check play is a plural verb. So in this case I will take plural verb. Okay student, in this case I will take plural verb, but here I take only was if we talk about past. Okay, यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना I हमेशा singular verb लेगा when we talk about the past, जब हम past की बात कर रहे हो, ठीक है. And in present continuous I with we use am, like I am a teacher. Yeah, I am learning. I am learning. Here you can check. I will take only am. Okay. So you have to learn, student, this. So student, you have to remember what is the singular subject, what is the plural subject. And singular subject always take singular verb and plural subject always take plural verb. Okay, student. So see here first, and how to make singular verb, like read, play, sleep, jump, run. These are plural verb. But if you want to make it singular, you have to use s or es end of the verb. Okay, like reads, plays, sleeps, jumps. Okay, students, so you have to add here add or es. Okay, run, runs. So it means they are singular verb. It means they are singular verb, or they are used with singular noun. Okay, and these are plural verb. These are plural verb. Plural verb and used with plural noun. Okay, student. So here check, fill in the blanks with the correct verb. I is here, singular verb, sorry singular subject, but here we will take I have to do this work. यहाँ पे अगर have और has का use करना हो तो आपको only यहाँ पे have ही use करना होगा. Only was. When we talk about the past, then in this case we will use was. Okay. We going to school, here which verb we will use? Here we will use plural verb. We are going to school. He is a singular subject, so we will use only singular verb. So he is going to school. Yeah, he goes to school. Okay, here see student, we add here es. Okay, so this is the singular verb. They are in the garden. I suppose yeah, they play in the garden. Here it is a plural verb. You have completed the work. You have completed the work. It means यहाँ देखो, this is the you. Okay, you subject, and I told you that you with we will use only plural verb. So have is here plural verb. It is here singular subject. Okay, so it is here singular subject. So with it we will use here it rains. It rains heavily. So here s is added. Okay, so this is how we have to fill the blanks. Okay, according to the subject. Okay, student, according to the subject you have to choose the verb. If there is singular, then you have to write singular verb. If there is plural, you have to write plural verb. Okay, but you have to remember about I, what I said. If we talk about the past as I was, if you want to fill, suppose if there is two options are given here, was and were, so which one will you select? Suppose, so then in this condition you have to select was. Was is right, not were. Okay, okay student, in this case you have to choose was, not were. So student, these exercise I have made you understand. Sorry, I have made you understand for your understanding. So you have to understand these exercise well. कि where we can use singular and where we can use plural verb. Okay. Second thing, if two nouns or pronouns are connected with and, by and, if two nouns or pronouns are connected by and, we will use plural verb like Ram and Ravi are brothers. Here you can check Ram and Ravi, those are two separate nouns, but they are connected by and. So in this case we will use here plural verb. Okay, we will use here plural verb. If you want to write second, he and she are going to, he and she are going, are reading. Here you can check he or she, different nouns, so in this case we will use here are. Okay student, because they are different person, different noun, like Mona and Soha are good friends. So here you can check Mona and Soha are different persons. So in this case we will use here are. Okay, this is a plural verb. Okay, and they are connected with and. So in this case are will be used. Okay. So student, first what is the plural verb? ये आपको लिखना है एक बार, singular verb and plural verb. You have to write these in your notebook. Okay student, like plural क्या होती है, singular verb होती है is, okay, is, was, has. Okay, they are singular verb. And like reads, even example बताया, many more verb you can add only s or es to make it singular. Okay, and here are, were, have, these are plural. Okay, are, were, have, these are plural. So in this case with plural subject you have to use this verb. Okay, with singular subject you have to use this verb, and it's like read. If you want to use read, then you have to use its plural form, like read its plural form and reads it's a singular form. Okay student, and I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, so those you can ask me, or those exercises are given in your book related of this chapter. You have to complete all exercise. Okay, first you have to check first subject. If they are singular you have to use singular verb, if they are plural you have to use plural verb. Student, I hope you will not make any mistake. Thank you student, have a nice day.